Hi guys, David and David here from payetteforward.com, and in this video we are going to show you what to do when your iPhone screen is cracked.
First of all, we're sorry that it's cracked. That's no fun. First thing we want to do, just be safe here. When your iPhone screen cracks, you get a lot of tiny glass shards poking up from the screen.
Right.
You want to protect yourself. That's loud.
Sorry.
So you want to use the tape. What is this? Packaging tape?
Packing tape is good. All forms of tape.
If you don't have any,
like this.
If you don't have any tape, put it in a plastic bag. That works too.
Yep. Just those little glass shards can be painful and
dangerous. Cut yourself, and
So what's the next thing we should do?
Next thing we should do is back up our iPhone. Pretty simple thing to do. You don't know. Your screen cracks. It probably will still be recognized by iTunes, but you just don't know if
Yeah, when it's gonna crap out completely.
So plug in your USB cable to your USB port,
or you can use iCloud to do this if that's set up.
Yep.
But iTunes is a great way to do it because sometimes you don't need to use your phone because it's difficult to use because the screen is
if your screen is shattered, glass shards, you probably don't want to be touching it. So plug it in, connects, open iTunes, click back up now. Pretty straightforward.
Yep.
So you've backed up your iPhone and now it's time to either live with it, which you don't want to do, that's why you're watching this video, or get it repaired. We have two really good options for you. First of all, there's the Apple Store. If your iPhone is covered by Apple Care Plus, it's a great option for you.
The second option is Pulse, which is an on-demand iPhone repair service that will send a technician right to your door in as little as 60 minutes. They offer a lifetime warranty, and they do great work.
And yeah, that's the great thing about Pulse. Send a technician to you right away, and when your iPhone screen is cracked, that's a pretty immediate repair. You need that fixed right away.
Right, who wants that?
You can't use your phone.
And more importantly, people are going to think you're weird if your iPhone screen is cracked.
They're going to think you're weird.
They're going to judge you.
They're going to say, why is your screen cracked? Why don't you get it fixed?
Loser?
Yeah.
Like, fix it now.
Are they going to say that?
No, nobody ever says that.
That's what they do when you go to the Apple Store?
Yeah.
When you used to deal with customers that come in and you
shame them. Yeah. Okay, loser.
So that's
make an appointment.
That's what to do when your iPhone screen is cracked.
Yep. And so thank you guys for watching this video. Please feel free to like it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell to get an immediate update whenever we publish a new video. How'd I do, David? That was pretty good,
That was pretty good.
Pretty good. All right.